Bengal used to be the most opulent, prosperous part of India. Before leaving India, the British divided the country into India and Pakistan. As a result of that, Bengal was divided. Although Bangladesh became separated from India, it has retained its Vedic heritage and culture in a spontaneous way. Irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, people of Bangladesh respond to Vedic spiritual events most enthusiastically. His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami's recent visit to Bangladesh clearly displays that spirit. There was a time when Bhakti Charu Swami used to visit Bangladesh very often. Due to his involvement in various projects all over the world, he can't spend as much time in Bangladesh. However, when he comes, the whole country becomes vibrant with excitement. This is ISKCON's temple in Swamibag, Dhaka. It had previously been a Shiva temple and was handed over to ISKCON in 7 phases, beginning in 2003. Although ISKCON has not built a new temple yet in Dhaka, thousands of devotees come here on a regular basis. This is a testament to the spiritual awareness of the people of Bangladesh.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna.
Hundreds of devotees in Bangladesh are waiting to take initiation from Bhakti Charu Swami. For this visit, in July of 2019, the temple authorities had approved 600 devotees to take initiation. Bhakti Charu Swami did not think it would be possible to initiate so many at this time, and therefore chose to give Diksha to 200. Bhakti Charu Swami was born in Bangladesh. His family used to live in Calcutta, where his older brother was born. Therefore, his grandmother wanted that the next child should be born in their ancestral home, in the village of Kuti in Bangladesh. In Kuti, the disciples of Bhakti Charu Swami purchased a beautiful piece of land surrounded by a river where they are in the beginning stages of building a temple. Bhakti Charu Swami arrived that day via helicopter, and they held a large pandal program.
Krishna.
In Bangladesh, many Muslims are very supportive of ISKCON. When Bhakti Charu Swami addressed the residents of Kuti, the local Muslim political leader spoke and publicly announced that they were going to build a bridge to give better access to the new ISKCON temple. Bhakti Charu Swami's last stop was Sri Sri Pundarick Dham in Chittagong. There the devotees greeted Bhakti Charu Swami with a festival and elephant procession. This holy dham is the birthplace of Sri Pundarick Vidyanidhi, who was an intimate associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the incarnation of Sri Vrishabhanu Maharaj, the father of Srimati Radharani. This dham was handed over to ISKCON in the early 1980s. Wherever it is in Bangladesh, when Bhakti Charu Swami gives lectures, people gather by the thousands and listen with rapt attention.
ভগবত ভক্তরা যে কোনো পরিস্থিতিতে ভগবানের শরণাগত, দুঃখ কষ্টে ভগবানের মহিমা কীর্তন। ভক্তের এই মহিমা, ভগবান তুমি দুঃখ দিয়েছ, ঠিক আছে, এটা তো আশীর্বাদ, দুঃখটা আশীর্বাদ। কেন দুঃখে থাকলে তোমার কথা মনে হবে। যেমন কুন্তি দেবী কি বলছে, মহারাজ ইয়েকে কৃষ্ণকে কি বলছে, যে যখন এই দুঃখগুলো ছিল তখন সারাক্ষণ তোমাকে তোমার শরণাগত হয়েছিল, এখন তো সুখের সময় এসেছে, এখন হয়তো তোমাকে মনে রাখতে পারবো না। সুখে থাকলে আমরা ভুলে যাই ভগবান, দুঃখে থাকলে ভগবানকে মনে করে। তাহলে যে ভগবানের ভক্ত সে কি চাইবে, সুখে থাকতে চাইবে না দুঃখে থাকতে চাইবে? তার মনোভাব যেভাবেই হোক ভগবানকে যেন সবসময় মনে রাখি, সবসময় যেন ভগবানের অনুগত হয়ে থাকে। হ্যাঁ, ভক্ত বলে না আমাকে দুঃখ দাও, ভগবানের ভক্তের মনোভাব কি দুঃখ সুখ তার কোনোটি সে চায় না। ভগবত ভক্তের মনোভাব সেবা। ভগবান যে পরিস্থিতিতে আমি থাকি না কেন, মম জন্মনি জন্মনীশ্বরে অবতার ভক্তির অকৃত, যেন জন্ম জন্মান্তরে আমি তোমার সেবা করে যেতে পারি। এইটি হচ্ছে ভক্তের মনোভাব।
3 major cities in Bangladesh have been selected to fundraise for the Temple of the Vedic Planetarium in Mayapur: Sylhet, Dhaka, and Chittagong.
He said, I have named this temple Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir, the rising moon of Mayapur. Now make it rise bigger, bigger and bigger until it becomes a full moon, so that this moonshine will spread all over the world. So currently, now we have a half moon. So in 2022, this will become a full moon, and the predictions of Lord Nityananda Prabhu that Iha ek adbhut mandir hoibe prakash, Gauranga Nitya Seva hoibe vikash, that from this temple the service, the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will spread all over the world.
In only 3 days, over $1 million was donated to the TOVP by the generous people of Bangladesh. People tend to think of Bangladesh as a poor country, but actually they are a people in possession of spiritual wealth, which is true riches. Their enthusiasm for Krishna consciousness should be seen as an inspiration for the whole world.
Tabu kathamrita tapta jivana povibhiririta kalmashapaha Shravana Mangala Srimadatata Bhubi Grinnanti Jibhu